First, let's take a look at the actual homepage of the client. For this redesign, we began with Illustrator, where we modified the logo based on the client's comments. Then on Figma, we've added a Shopify theme layout to begin building the site. First, we switched text and logo on the header menu. Back in Illustrator, we adapted a tier paper vector file to add to the bottom of the header menu. All items and background of the different hero images were chosen with the client on existing items they sell. In Photoshop, we used the AI background remover tool and retouched any other pixel on each item displayed on the site, and then arranged them on the artboard. Below, we simplified the benefits the business has for clear items and added an icon to each one. We took the testimonials and made it into a different section, with other colors of the brand to make them pop on the site. After that, we included a small FAQ section related to the shopping experience, a call to action section to contact them on specific queries, reorganized the footer, removing unnecessary icons and links. And this is how it turned out.